So today we're going to be making another paracord neck lanyard, and the design this time is the Black Prince by Cetus 550. So what you need is one piece of cord 4 feet long, folded in half like that. You need another piece of cord, I do it the same colour, 2 feet long, and your highlight colour, which is also 2 feet long. You need male and female breakaway clips, really important if you're going to sell them, and I also like these lobster clips which work really well. So what I'll do is attach it to my jig. Now you don't need a jig, but it really helps. Right, once we've done that, I'm going to get the highlight cord, and I'm just going to do a simple overhand knot on the end like that, and then I'm going to poke it down through the middle like that. I'm going to get the last piece of cord, the 2 foot long piece, find the halfway point, lay it underneath, and we're ready to go. So what we're going to do now is get the right hand cord, going to poke it down through the middle like that. Then I'm going to get the highlight cord. It's kind of going to go over the top of this loop that I made, underneath of this horizontal piece here, and then the end is just going to go through the loop that we've made, over the 2 middle cords and out the other side like that. And the first knot is always the hardest to do, to pull up, but basically all you do now is cinch everything up like that. And we do the same on the left hand side cord, poke it down through the middle, bring your highlight cord over the top, underneath everything, and the end goes through the loop we've made, over the 2 center cords, out the other side, and then it's easy to tie up. Now you just pull the ends and cinch it all up. The highlight cord should come out the middle. You should end up with something like this, and then we start all over again. So right hand cord down through the middle, highlight cord over the top of everything, underneath the center cord, through the middle, over the top of these center cords here, pull it out the other side and pull it all up, and then just carry on. So we're going to get it to the desired length of what you want the pattern to be, and now we're going to cut all these loose pieces off. So first we're going to undo this overhand knot, and we're going to snip and singe there. Got it quite close to the end, but not too much, and I'm just slow burning and then flatten it into the lanyard like that. Nicely done. Now the middle blue piece here, I'm going to pull it down through the middle like that and snip and singe it here. Again, I like to do a nice slow burn, and then we'll do it with both of these ends. So there's the Black Prince pattern, and now what we're going to do is the breakaway clips at the end. First of all, you want to make sure that you've got a male and female breakaway clip. So what I've done a nice clean cut across there, and I'm just going to gut the cords about 2 inches long like that, and then I'm going to snip. Right, so I've gutted the cords of about 2 inches. I'm now going to just singe the ends a little so that they'll fit through breakaway clips, and they're ready to go. And the reason why I gutted the ends of this cord here is so that I can do a quick overhand knot at the top and pull it all through. And then with the overhand knot on the end, once I know that it will fit, I just singe the end. So there you go, that is a Black Prince created by Cetus 550, and I've turned it into a neck lanyard. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.